Did you know you can make a very simple change inside your Vortex HD55 to make it run faster? So I'm going to show you how. It's very simple, and then we're going to compare it to the speed of this HD65, which is just normal standard. And then I'll show you how to jump. If you don't like how it runs, I'll show you how to jump back in the settings and turn it off. So let's get started. Let's get right inside and go to settings the way you like to go to settings. We're going to go to accessibility. We're going to go to color and motion. It's as simple as this right here. Remove animation. So yours should look like that, grayed out, and touch it one time to toggle it on. And that's it. And go back to home. Now watch this. Watch what happens when I just bring up the dialer. Bring up the dialer. All right, maybe that's the first time it's been on in a while. Let's do that again. Bring up the dialer. Okay, do you see how the animation makes it go up? And then when we close the dialer, the animation goes down. Watch on this side. Blinks on, blinks off. Now we'll do it at the same time since now it's been used once. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, here we go here. Big difference, a huge difference. Your phone is going to function snappier, it's going to feel faster, and because it's a budget phone, it's not going to be a pain to use it. So it's not, these phones are not known for their, speed or anything. So a little bit of a change in settings can help your phone feel faster. Let's give you one more example like Messenger. Bring up the Messenger. You can clearly see with your own eyes that it is faster on this side. And then we'll close the Messenger, blinks off, and this one needs that animation. Let's do it one more time. And close one more time. All right, that's it. So now, if you don't like how your phone runs, you use it a little bit, and you're like, you know what, I'd rather have the animations on. Let's go back into settings, touch settings. We're going to go to accessibility, and again, color and motion, and then just toggle that off, and it's back to standard, slow. This HD55 is a little bit faster, but it still has it turns the animations back on. So there you go. That's how you make your HD55 or even HD65 go a little bit faster. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.